Hi, this is Kenny Daigle with KD Cuts, and today I'd like to show you a kit that I just finished from Tandy called the Madelaine Fringe bag. This is the box that the kit comes in. The leather in the kit comes pre-embossed and pre-dyed in a beautiful tan color. It's about 17 inches wide by 12 inches deep. The two side panels are held together with a beautiful braided lace. There's a magnetic clasp for closure. And on the inside, there's one extra interior pocket. I've put my maker's mark on the inside flap. The handles have a 3-strap mystery braid accent in them. And also, of course, the fringe accent on the bag. Tandy did a great job on this kit. This is really well thought out and well put together. If you put this bag together for somebody, they won't be disappointed. Thanks. See you soon.